Hello students, welcome back to social studies class. In the last class I have explained you to make different graphs of the places, like I have explained you about the Delhi, Shimla. Please note down the graph temperature readings of these particular places and practice how to show the different temperature, maximum and minimum temperature on the graphs. Okay, then we have covered this. I have explained you these three places, but now I have taken one more topic, that is temperature maps. Do you know there are different temperature maps which are used with the help of the maximum minimum temperatures, that readings that we take of a particular place. With the help of that we can make different maps giving the information about that particular. India is a vast sprawling country and the temperature varies in its different regions. If we want to find out which place are hotter and which are cooler, we can use temperature maps. So we need the temperature maps to identify. Suppose we are going for a trip for a place. So this temperature map helps us what kind of clothes we have to pack to reach such a cold or hot places that we are going to visit. So these temperature maps are going to helpful in different ways. This average temperature is the average of the maximum and minimum temperature for the month. In this map, India has been divided into different sections, each marked with a different color. You can see here, I'll show you this, and how it can be measured. You can observe here. You can find out the average temperature in January in each of these sessions. So if you make a table like this, now use the map in your atlas to find out the altitude and the average temperature in January of each of the following places. So you have to take one atlas. In all the atlas, it is compulsory that the maximum and minimum temperature of a particular place is given. So take out that temperature map and you are going to do this activity with the help of a table. You have to make a table like this and note down the temperature of that particular places. You have to draw this in your classwork. And then with the help of atlas, so you have to write the temperature in the January month of Agra, UP, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, Nagpur and Maharashtra. According to this map, there is no place in India that has an average January temperature higher than 30 degrees centigrade. We can observe with this. By doing this temperature map activity. Now, if you look north from this place on the map, is the average January temperature higher or lower? By doing this activity, you have to find out this and write down. Why is the north cooler in winter compared to south? You can observe here after writing. You can observe the readings already, it is written here. Okay, Hyderabad in Telangana state, in summer it is 6. To look at the following table, it shows the time of sunrise and sunset in different cities in India on 10th January. You can observe. On the same date, the sunrise and sunset you can observe in these places of Hyderabad. Sunrise is 6:49 and sunset is at 5:58. Like this, all the sunrise and sunset timings are given here. So here we have done with this, and please answer this question and answers which are given here. In which of these 6 cities does the sun rise first? So you have to find out in this table and write down the answers for all these questions. So we have done with this lesson how we have compared and learned about So we can see at the end of this class, my students will be able to know about the energy from the sun. So you have learned about the sun, energy which comes from the sun in the different forms like ultraviolet rays and you can say X-rays and different kind of rays which are coming from the sun, and how they are absorbed by the atmosphere, how they are reflected back into the space we have learned here. Heat balance, how the atmosphere balance the heat and make the atmosphere suitable for the living of human beings. And the difference in temperature. The difference in temperature of different places we have observed. The temperature of a particular place like a Hyderabad is in different months the temperature is different, and we have also compared it with other place of coastal region, and also we have compared the height of Shimla with that of Delhi, and how the temperature varies from one place to another we have observed. So different temperatures of different places we have covered in this entire lesson, and the temperature in places when coming to the entire world, how the equatorial regions experience the hotness of the sun heat, and how it varies from the Tropic of Cancer, and how it is different at the freeze zones of North Pole and South Pole. This all comparison of temperature we have done with lots of activities and graph readings, and I hope this has given you a clear idea about the different temperature of different places. So you also came to know about the usage of map to go to some place, and how to compare the temperature with the different places. So here there are many question and answers, and average monthly temperatures of different places. I ask all my students to read the lesson at least 2 to 3 times, and do the activities which are set by me, and write the question and answers on your own. So if you are able to write the question and answers on your own, you have understood the lesson clearly, and also draw the graphs which are asked here. So this is how we have done with this lesson. Try to answer all the question and answers which are there in the boxes, shaded boxes. That are also very important, because we get 5 marks questions based on this graphs, or they give one table of different readings, and they will ask a few questions like what is the maximum average temperature, which is the minimum average temperature of the particular place. You must be able to study the readings, and you must be able to draw the readings on the graph. So this is going to help you a lot. So I hope my students will follow all the instructions which are given by me, and try to complete all the question and answers in your notebook. Thank you. See you again in the next class with a new lesson.